Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
And I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
It is the holiday season here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So where are we, Danny?
We are going to Roosevelts, which is a restaurant on 15th Street, aka Cherry Street, here in downtown Tulsa.
They are famous for just going over the top with all of their Christmas decorations. There are over 10,000 ornaments inside hanging from the ceiling. They've got miles of garland strung up throughout, and it takes them over 2,500 hours to get this decorating done.
And I believe they prep in a warehouse and then they bring everything here and put it out.
So let's go adventuring. We saw the announcement on the news this morning that decorating was complete, and normally there's a huge line out here on the weekends to get in. So we got very lucky that it's raining and there aren't too many people here. Hey dear, what do you think?
I love this. This is our second time doing this, and it is magical just as much as it was the first time. Okay, we got seated and we are in the outer area. There's an inner area that's also includes the bar on the inside, but they have the holiday 2024 menu with Santa on the top. Isn't he cute? But so the starters are looking pretty good. They have salads and soups as well as sandwiches and burgers, and then they have a whole list of specialty items to order if depending on what you're feeling for the day. But they also have a bar menu, so there's a lot to look at here.
What do we got here, Danny?
We got the 3 cheese artichoke dip.
It's early in the day, so I just went and got the classic Caesar salad, something a little light. We've got a lot going on today.
And I got the Roosevelt with tomato bisque soup.
There was the famous light show. What'd you think?
It's so magical. So what we learned is right now, before Thanksgiving, it's by request. So if you would like to see the light show, let your server know, and they will put in the request to whoever the powers that be are to start the light show. But after Thanksgiving, it's on a 30-minute automatic. There's a light show every 30 minutes. So.
And I think the song changes too.
I think the song changes. I believe it might be the staple is a Mariah Carey song. So just FYI, I'm pretty sure that's it, but don't quote me. That's just what I think I know.
I thought it was Trans-Siberian Orchestra.
Oh, I don't know.
But we just had Elsa Let It Go, so I don't even know at this point. But
I'm totally cool with Let It Go. Totally cool with Let It Go.
It was great.
Yes, it was. It was great.
Well, adventurers, we just finished our time here at Roosevelt's checking out the Christmas lights. It is raining, it is pouring.
No, it's not pouring.
The old man is snoring.
No, it's just raining.
It's just raining. But we had a great time. We saw the light show. We saw all the ornaments. There was even a leg lamp in there. I'm not sure if I got it on video, but it's there. There was a lot.
I feel like that's classic Christmas decor. The leg lamp.
Yes.
Well, if if you guys enjoyed this adventure and want to see more of our videos. I feel like I'm melting.
I'm trying not to get hit by a car
I feel
too
like
as we go
I'm
through
melting.
the parking lot.
Also, if you enjoy this video and want to see more of our adventures, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure.